हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख रहे हो बायोलॉजी बूस्टर क्लासेस। मैं हूं प्रियम मैम। बच्चों, आज की इस क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे द नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑफ ब्रायोफाइट, दैट इज एंथोसेराटोप्सिडा. Anthocerautopsida is also known as hornworts, okay? And the plant body of hornwort is also thallus-like the liverworts. Second, scales are absent, but rhizoids are present. Which type of rhizoid are present? Unicellular unbranched. Rhizoids are root-like structure, not the true root. Sporophyte is divided into foot and capsule, not into foot, seta and capsule. Only foot and capsule. So sporophyte is less developed as compared to liverwort. Sporophyte is not completely depend on its gametophyte. Sporophyte is depend on gametophyte but not completely depend on gametophyte because their sporophyte is photosynthetic in nature. Means इसका जो sporophyte है वो खुद फूड प्रिपेयर कर रहा है, जिसकी वजह से ये फूड के लिए डिपेंड नहीं करता है किस पे? गैमेटोफाइट पे. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन गैमेटोफाइट ओनली फॉर फूड, वाटर एंड हैबिtat, नॉट फॉर फूड. नेक्स्ट, pseudoelaters आर प्रेजेंट. pseudoelaters हमने liverwort में पढ़ा था. In Markensia, elaters are present which help in spore dispersal, and elaters are hygroscopic in nature. Here pseudo-elaters are present and which help in spore dispersal. And the example of hornwort is Anthoceros and Notothylus. अब हमारी बात यहाँ पे आती है कि ये जो एंथोसेराटोप्सिडा है इसका नाम हॉर्नवर्ट क्यों पड़ा. तो ये जो हॉर्नवर्ट है इसके केस में जो कैप्सूल होता है, कैप्सूल इज द पार्ट ऑफ स्पोरोफाइट. तो कैप्सूल के बेसल पार्ट में एक स्पेशल मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल ग्रो करता है और वो मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल रैपिडली ग्रो करके हॉर्न शेप्ड हो जाता है. ड्यू टू दिस रीजन दिस class is known as hornworts and those type of bryophytes are known as hornwort. Okay, अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑफ ब्रायोफाइट. द नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑफ ब्रायोफाइट इज ब्रायोप्सिडा और मस्सी और मॉसेस. ओके, all mosses are included in the class Bryopsida. Plant body is made up of rhizoid, means root-like structure, stem-like and leaf-like structure. Means ये जो bryophytes है इस structurally ये more develop है बाद बाकी bryophytes के comparison में. Means liverworts and hornwort ये जो है ये thalloid structure show करते हैं, but Bryopsida show a developed structure. Okay, rhizoids are multicellular, branched and obliquely septate. इनके जो rhizoids होते हैं ये multicellular होते हैं, branched होते हैं और obliquely septate होते हैं. Multicellular, branched and obliquely septate. Okay, and the sporophyte is more developed than liverwort. Means in case of liverwort, sporophyte is divided into foot, seta and capsule. Here sporophyte is also divided into foot, seta and capsule but comparatively more developed. In case of hornwort, the sporophyte is less developed because it is composed of only foot and capsule. Seta is absent in hornwort. Here sporophyte is same as hornwort, means semi-parasite, that is sporophyte is photosynthetic in nature, and due to photosynthetic in nature they produce their own food and only depend on gametophyte for water and habitat. Okay, so both in hornwort and Bryopsida the sporophyte is semi-parasite, but in case of liverwort ये sporophyte is completely depend on gametophyte. Next point, reproduction. Here vegetative reproduction by fragmentation and budding in the form of protonema. and sexual reproduction में 6 organ are formed at apex of leafy shoots. sexual reproduction में जो sex organ होंगे वो leafy shoots के ऊपर फॉर्म होंगे, apex point पे फॉर्म होंगे. तो ये कुछ पॉइंट्स है ब्रायोप्सीडा से रिलेटेड. अब हम एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं. The example of bryophytes are Funaria. Funaria is known as cod moss or rock moss. Another is Polytrichum. Polytrichum is known as hair cap moss and Sphagnum is known as bog moss or pit moss because it helps in formation of pit. This Sphagnum has ability to absorb more water. Due to this reason, Sphagnum is used as packaging of material. Okay, and a very important point related to Bryopsida, their spores dispersal mechanism is special. किसके थ्रू होगा? पेरिस्टोमियल टिथ. Here dispersal of spore through peristomal teeth. In case of hornwort, pseudoelaters are responsible for dispersal of spore, and in case of liverwort, dispersal of spores through elaters. So इस तरह से हमारा ब्रायोफाइट्स एंड क्लासेस ऑफ ब्रायोफाइट्स कंप्लीट होता है. ओके.